last part, we have discussed about the cumulative frequency. We will discuss the next type of graph used for presenting the group data graphically. Cumulative percentage frequency graph. The process of plotting cumulative percentage frequency graph is same as the cumulative frequency graph. But only we have to calculate the percentage cumulative frequency. So we will consider example. So let us consider the teacher has collected the data by administering the mathematical test to 9th standard students. The class interval and frequencies are given. Now we have cumulative percentage frequency graph. So firstly, add two extra class intervals having frequency 0 above, one above and other below the given distribution. We add a extra class interval 40 to 42 having frequency 0 and below 60 to 18 frequency 0. Now firstly we will find the upper limit of each class interval. UL means upper limit. Now upper limit of the class interval, first class interval is 42.5, then 39.5, then 36.5, 33.5, then upper limit of the class interval 28 to 30 is 30.5, then next one is 27.5, 24.5, then 21.5 and 18.5. Now calculate the cumulative frequency. So CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Start from the lowest class interval. So its frequency is 0. So its cumulative frequency is also 0. Then for class interval 19 to 21 is 3. The next one is 8. Then 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 plus 11 is 27. Then 33. The next one is 37, 40 and 40. Now convert this cumulative frequency into percentage cumulative frequency. So we will write percentage cumulative frequency. That means calculate the cumulative frequency out of 100. Now the total 40. If we add these frequencies, then it is 40. So out of 40, cumulative frequency is 3. So what is for 100? Calculate the cumulative frequency of each class interval as cumulative frequency divided by 40 multiplied by 100, like this. That means 3 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. We get percentage cumulative frequency. Now calculate cumulative percentage frequency by using the formula cumulative frequency divided by 40 multiplied by 100. That means cumulative frequency multiplied by 5 divided by 2. And using this formula, we can calculate the cumulative frequency of the cumulative percentage frequency of 0, then 7.5, 20, 40, 67.5, 82.5, 92.5, 100 and 100. Now we plot the points on graph. So draw the coordinate axis. Write the title of the graph, cumulative percentage frequency graph. It is also called OGIV. Now draw the axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. That means horizontal axis is x-axis, vertical axis is y. Measurement units along the axis. So along x-axis we will take the upper limit of each class. Then Along y-axis we will take cumulative percentage frequency. Percentage cumulative frequencies. Now decide the scale. Along x-axis we take upper limit of each class interval. So start it, from the point of intersection of this coordinate axis. So 18.5. Then next point is 21.5. Then 24.5. Next one is 27.5. Then 30.5. The next one is 33.5. Then 36.5. Then 39.5 and 42.5. Along y-axis, decide the scale as unit is equal to 10%. One unit is equal to 10. And mark the points. So 10, then 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now plot the points as upper limit, comma, percentage cumulative frequency. Upper limit, comma, percentage cumulative frequency. So first point is 18.5, 0. That means it is at the point of intersection of coordinate axis. The next point is 21.5, 7.5. So 7.5 means here. So this is the next point. Then 24.5, 20. The next one is 27.5, 40. The next one is 30.5, 67.5. So 30.5, 67.5. Then next one is 33.5, 82.5. So 33.5 and 82.5. So this is the point. The next one is 36.5, 92.5. 92.5. The next one is 39.5, 100. So this is the point. And last one is 42.5, 100. Now join these points by straight line. Which is known as cumulative percentage frequency graph or OGU. This curve is used to compute the statistics like median, percentile, quartile, percentile rank. Curve is also used to decide the standardization of measurement tool. The OGU curve is used to decide the norms of the tool. In this way, in this part, we have discussed about the cumulative percentage frequency graph, or it is also known as OGU curve. In next part, we will consider about the normal probability curve.